Jambo and welcome to Aggie's Vine. If you're new here, subscribe and join the Vine family. Are you already a Vine? Welcome back. In today's video, the top 4 jobs that I can recommend for online job seekers who are in their beginning phase and you're wondering how to go about it, this is my recommendation for the 4 types of jobs that you can actually work online and make some extra money. Now, I want you to be realistic. When you're doing your job hunt online, make sure you're realistic. Don't want to just go ahead and apply and then sit back and relax and wait. You have to put in as much effort as you would if you were just going into an office and applying for a job. I just make it easier for you by bringing the websites that I know hire you for these types of jobs. So, first of all, the 4 types of jobs that you can do online. The first one would be online surveys. And this is a job that I highly recommend for any beginner that's trying to get online work. Online surveys are easy jobs to do. What are online surveys? Many companies conduct online surveys to gather consumer feedback, and they're always looking for survey participants. So you can sign up survey sites like Swagbox, Survey Junkie, or Vindel Research. Okay, these are just some of the websites that offer, online surveys. The second type of job that I would recommend for a beginner that's looking for online work, this would be freelance writing. You can sign up. There is tons of freelance websites out there, but some of them will require you to pay a little bit of money to join. Some of them don't. So you obviously are not going to have extra money to pay to join a website. So these are my recommended websites for you if you're a writer and you want to, make that extra money doing some work. Lance Writer. These would be Fiverr. Fiverr is a great website. You just go up there and sign up. Upwork is also another great website. And we also have Freelancer. So those 3 websites, you can check them out. They're always, there's tons of people registered on there. They're always looking for people to do writing. And the kind of writing you would do is like blog posts. You could do product descriptions. You could also do social media posts for websites or businesses, okay? So there's plenty of people out there seeking for people to write for them content, business development articles, stuff like that. And you get paid for it. So you want to check Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelance. And just before I continue, I want you to stick around because I have a tip at the end of the video that's going to help you secure your online job quicker, okay? So you do not want to miss this. You want to stick around until the end of the video. So the third website, a virtual assistant. Now, as a virtual assistant, you help business owners with administrative tasks like email management, social media management, scheduling appointments, and other related tasks. You can find virtual assistant jobs on websites like remote.co, and I did speak about this website in one of my previous videos. So this is a website that you definitely want to check out, remote.co. And we also have Flex Jobs. That's also another website I've spoken about before. And also you want to go to Zirtual, as in Z, in place of virtual, Zirtual. So that's a website that is always constantly looking, where businesses are looking for virtual assistants. So you can register in those websites and land yourself a job as a virtual assistant. Type of job that you can do as an online job seeker who's in their beginning phase again is online tutoring. I've done this before. So if you know you're skilled in a particular subject like math, English, business, civics, any subject that you're good at, you could register for online tutoring jobs. We have VipKid is a website that offers online tutor jobs. We have Chegg, that's another website that offers online tutor jobs. And then we also have TutorMe. Those are websites you want to check out if you would be interested in teaching kids online or even adults. There is always people out there looking for online tutors, students looking for online tutors, and those websites always have these jobs available. Go ahead and check those websites, and you might just find something that's tailored to your needs. There is money to be made online, and you don't want to be left behind. It could also be transitioned to become your full-time career. Whenever you're applying for a job, treat every job different. One cover letter for like 20 types of jobs. Every job is different. So make sure you read the job description properly, understand it, and then make sure your cover letter is tailored to that particular job. And then when you apply for the job, make sure you do periodic follow-ups, because let me tell you, companies receive thousands of applications on every job posting they do. So don't sit there and expect because you just applied for a job, they're just gonna automatically pick you up. No. I can tell you firsthand, working in management, that most people get hired are those who keep pestering the companies they've applied for. So the HR people will just get tired of you calling and be like, you know what, let's just call this person in for an interview, or let's interview this person. So you stand a high chance of getting that job if you're doing periodic follow-ups to see what the status of your application is. I will see you next time, and thank you for joining me.